is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Today I want to throw an axle dump tip on the Duramax because I want to see if it actually makes the truck any louder. Throw down in the comments if you like the American flag Pro Net I just got, you know, for the 4th of July, just seeing what it looks like. I kind of like it. I think it looks pretty badass, but it might look kind of like ricey or maybe too much of a tool or something like that. So throw down in the comments if you actually think it looks cool. But we got the axle dump already on there. It's an 8-inch tip, you know, just an eBay tip. They're like 30 bucks. I mean, why not? It looks cool. I think it really gives a good look to this truck. The lighting's kind of weird. I'll try to get another video of it or something, but it looks super good with the 22s. And let's get some videos driving this thing down the street, giving it hell, and let's see if it's any louder. I hope it is, because it's gonna be nasty, man. So the truck already has a 5-inch straight pipe and a 3-inch down pipe. So the axle dump, you know, the exhaust straight at the ground, is probably gonna make it sound a lot louder with the 8-inch tip. So let's check it out, and maybe we'll see a difference. Already sounds good idling. Let's check this thing out driving down the street. All right, guys, I just got back. I think it's way louder than it has been without the axle dump and the 8-inch tip. So make sure you throw down in the comments if you like the axle dump, like the look of it, like the sound of it. I'll try to throw in a couple clips of the straight pipe without the axle dump. I don't feel like putting it back on right now because it's just annoying to get under it and mess around with the exhaust, but all right, guys, so you just saw me give it a little bit of hell up and down the street right here, and I think it sounds way louder. I think it sounds way better, and it looks nasty. The 8-inch tip under there with the 22-inch wheels just gives it a whole new look, especially with the American flag tailgate net. I think this thing just looks mean. So make sure you throw down in the comments if you like the axle dump, if you think it sounds good, think it sounds terrible, whatever. Throw it down in the comments. I want to hear it. All right, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thanks for stopping in the Nasty Nate channel. Make sure you subscribe in the bottom corner right there. I'm going to keep pointing all around the screen, but subscribe in the bottom corner, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.